Alright, let's see what I got. Hey, I've been watching a bunch of videos of everybody unboxing. It's pretty cool. You know, so I finally bought something. Been working hard for this. A lot of overtime. So I'm going to show you guys my version of an unboxing. That's just joking. I do have an unboxing. I think everyone's going to like it. I've been wanting one of these for a while. I've been watching a lot of videos on it, on this product, and everyone's unboxing videos. So I figured maybe have some fun with that. So check it out. All those hours of working overtime. This is why I was working all the overtime, to get something like this. So that hard work pays off. Let's take a look. I've been watching a lot of videos of drone videos and how-to videos on the Spark. And a bunch of other, people's footage of the drones. Pretty awesome. So I figured give it a shot so I can do stuff with the car. So it'd be pretty cool. Do an unboxing. Want some cookies? I'm in the basement. Hiding from the wife. Oh, there it is. Wow, check it out. When you watch the videos, I think it looks good, big on the videos. Got your battery. That's pretty nice. Box, you can have it in there, keep it safe. Be a good idea to keep it. But there it is. I'm sure a lot of you guys probably already seen a bunch of videos with the drone unboxing. Let me fix the basement up. That's pretty cool. So looks like got some extra blades in here. Propellers, got your extra battery. This has got the combo pack. I got came with the 2 batteries. It's on sale right now at Best Buy for I think $50 cheaper. And I believe the DJI Spark website, it's on sale too. And here's the box. It's kind of hard with one hand. Got your moisture packs. These are good to keep using actually. Put them in your toolbox and other stuff. I kind of save them and use them all the time. So there we got this was the combo. Here you got for the blades to protect them. There's 2 in there. Here's the other 2. And you got your thing to charge it. It's cool. And you got your cord. Plug it into your phone. For your power cord. For your charger. Okay, here's the controller. Gotta be careful kind of pulling it out, because you got the foam going into your controls. You don't want to rip it out and then end up breaking it. So kind of move that out of the way a little bit, pop it out. Cool. There's the controller that comes with the combo. I'm gonna learn as I go on it. This is my first drone, so I figured this would be even though it costs a lot for your first one, I figure with all the features it has on it, it will make it easier to fly around without, crashing it and stuff like that. It has the sensors, and it has where, bring it home. So I figured might as well spend the extra money and having some of those features with the GPS and stuff like that. I think that would be pretty cool. I don't plan on flying it real high and that for now, and that want to do like a bunch of videos with the cars and that mess, and then other stuff when we go to places, you know, some of the parks. As long as I can fly it there, you got to follow the laws and the rules and make sure you have clearance to fly it. So I got a lot of research to do on it, but man, this thing's pretty cool, and I like the features with it. It has the follow features and stuff like that. So, you know, use it on our car videos and stuff like that, and other things. So we'll check it out. So here it is, the combo pack. Got your controller, got your extra battery, charger, and stuff. You got the foam. I mean, you can still use it, you know, when you store it. Came with this. Came with your carrying case. It's got a strap for your shoulder. Pretty cool. And then it's got a nice case to keep your drone in right here. So when you're traveling around. Then we got the blade guards. You guys use the blade guards? Anyone that has one, let me know. I think I'm gonna start out with using them. You know, anyone too has any advice on these or tips, you know, comment. Or if you even have a video of the drones, you know, put them in a link. That'd be cool. We'll check them out on that. We're gonna learn as we go with it, and we appreciate everybody subscribing, liking our channel. You know, don't forget to check out the other videos. We got some videos on we testing detailed products on our vehicles and that. We're gonna use this for, you know, the channel and have fun with it, and then take it to all kinds of stuff that we can go fly it to. You know, as long as we can fly it. I have to look up some of the make sure areas I take it that you're allowed to fly them. This thing's pretty cool. I mean, it's not big at all. On a lot of the videos I've seen, I thought it was bigger. That's okay. I think this would be perfect. I mean, I've never flown one, so I figured this would be a good one to get to learn on. You know, it won't be with all the sensors. I was thinking it wouldn't be hard to crash. Well, I'm sure it would be easy to crash. So, you guys check this out. You're gonna like it. Killer nose. The future of YouTube. Oh, hey. Get out of here.